Black Shark Crypto, TapBots, Airdrops, trading.
On Trust Wallet, you can quickly swap any asset to another, providing they are based on the same blockchain. On your wallet, click the two arrows towards the bottom. Make sure you're on the Swap tab at the top. Choose the currency you want to pay with, and then select the currency you want to receive. You can scroll through the list of assets, or just type in what you want to find. Enter either the amount you want to spend, or the amount you want to receive. Changing one field will change the other. You can see the exchange rate at the bottom. Once you're ready, hit Next. Now you'll see a screen to confirm your transaction. Here you will also see the network fee and max slippage. Slippage is the difference between the expected price of a trade and the price at which the trade is executed. This is due to swaps executing market orders, which need to use existing limit orders. The best limit order available is not always sufficient to fill the entire market order. Once you're ready, press Send to start the swap. Once the swap is complete, you can view your new balances in your wallet.